Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will see how to find type of Windows 10 license installed on your system. So basically there are three type of license in Windows 10. One is retail, another is OEM, and third is volume license. The type of license purely depend upon how you got your Windows 10. Okay, to find the type of license you have installed on your Windows 10, we will first open administrative command prompt and type the command slmgr space -dli and press the enter key. As the window mentions retail channel, that means I have retail license installed. This type of license can be bought from Microsoft Store or authorized reseller. The second type is OEM license. If you bought your Windows 10 pre-installed, then you likely to have this OEM or original equipment manufacturer license. This type of license is tied to the motherboard and is not transferable. However, the retail license can be transferred as many times you want. And the third type of license we have is volume license. And for that license, the channel name mentioned have volume included in it, and the volume license is not for the personal use. This is for enterprise or organization users, and this type of license is obtained from volume licensing center of Microsoft. This type of license is mainly used in IT companies where they deploy Windows 10 license to multiple machines and thousands of machines. So this is how you can find type of license installed on your Windows 10. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching it. Do like it, share it and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.